In this tutorial, I'll show you how to understand your Jotform account limits. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click your profile avatar in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Usage to open your account usage dashboard. Here, you'll see your monthly usage, including limits for items such as form submissions, payment submissions, signed documents, and form views. These indicators show how much of your monthly allowance you've used. Scroll down to view your total usage. This section displays information such as the number of forms you've created, submission storage, and available file upload space. Review these usage statistics regularly to make sure you're staying within your plan's limits. If you're getting close to any limit, you can consider deleting unused items or upgrading your plan for additional capacity. That's how to understand your Jotform account limits. Thanks for watching.